I'm Annie. I'm a yoga teacher, a writer, and the founder of lifestyle and wellbeing blog Mind Body Bowl. And today I've been guiding some Yin Yoga sessions to help everybody slow down. Yin Yoga is very still. We hold the poses for a couple of minutes, maybe 5-6 minutes, and it just allows people to kind of really tune in, feel physical sensations in their body and just get connected to themselves. So rather than doing that through movement, we do it through stillness. I think all of us need to slow down a little bit more. Life moves at a really, really fast pace, especially living in a city like London. We're kind of going at 1,000,000 miles an hour and trying to do lots of things at the same time. So it can bring imbalances in ourselves. It can make us stressed, anxious, and just taking time to slow down allows us to kind of bring ourselves back to a more centered place. I hope that if we can all slow down a little bit and take the time to understand ourselves better, then we can show up in everything that we do in a more balanced way, so that for ourselves and for each other in all of our interactions, our work, our relationships, that we can be better versions of ourselves where we're not influenced by stress and anxiety so much, and we just operate from a more centered place. I think that would be a good step for the world.